Hello, welcome to Indrani's kitchen, and today I'm back with the recipe a Korean fried chicken with a sweet and spicy sauce. The spiciness originally comes from the gochujang paste, which is made up of authentic Korean smoky fiery Korean chilies called gochugaru. In the absence of gochujang paste, I have used a local chili paste, and I have used wine vinegar and honey for the sweet and sour flavors. I loved how the recipe came out and my family relished it too. I'm sure you are too going to love it. This is a double fried chicken, so we are going to fry the chicken twice, and that thus the outside texture is very crispy and inside it's very soft and tender. Without wasting time, let's dive into the recipe.
To prepare Korean chicken, we need 400 to 500 grams of chicken. You can take boneless chicken or chicken wings. I have taken curry cut chicken. 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. 1 tablespoon of ginger grated. 2 to 3 green chilies chopped. 1 tablespoon wine vinegar. 1/4 cup of honey. This is red chili paste. You can use gochujang paste if you have. 1/2 cup rice flour. 3/4 cup of refined flour. Little bit of milk for marinating the chicken. It makes the chicken tender. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We also require 2 to 3 eggs for the batter. Friends, now we make the batter for coating the chicken. We marinate the chicken with milk and salt, and then we add refined flour and rice flour and 3 eggs. If you think the mixture is dry, add little bit of milk, and we are adding 1 more egg. Total of 3 eggs, so that the batter is nice, soft. Little bit of baking powder is added so that we get a fluffy coating. Friends, finally now it is the time to batter fry our chicken, and you see how lovely, succulent and fluffy they look. We heat the oil and fry the chicken in batches till they turn brown and crispy. And we are going to batter fry them twice. The first step is for cooking the chicken. The second step, the second fry, again we are double frying it, and here this is to provide a more crispy and crunchy outer texture, while the chicken remains succulent and soft, tender inside. Like this, fry the chicken one by one in batches. Now it's time to make the sauce, friends, and the Korean sauce is really spicy with the gochujang paste. To make the sauce, we heat 2 tablespoons of oil, add the chopped garlic, stir in, and add grated ginger, stir fry them. Then I add the wine vinegar, just salt till the flavors combine. Add the honey, and finally add the red chili. This red chili paste I prepared by boiling the red chilies at home and then removing the seeds from them and making a paste. The sauce is smooth, spicy, sweet and sour, and I add in the fried chicken. Just toss them so that they are evenly coated with the sauce. Sprinkle some spring onions. Then finally I need to drizzle some roasted sesame seeds. So I roast them in a pan and then sprinkle them all over. Mix them nicely, friends, and your Korean chicken fry is ready. Thank you for watching my recipes, friend. And if you love this recipe, do like and subscribe to my channel. And do check out my other recipes at indranivillteach.com. Take care, stay safe.